Do you want to speak English, but you feel your words are too few?
Yes, many beginners feel this. You don't need many words to speak English.
Today, we will show you how to speak English confidently, even with a small vocabulary.
You can speak English today even if you only know a few words.
And don't worry, mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes.
Welcome to English Speaking Zone.
I am Tina, and this is John.
Today, we will help you speak English easily with simple words.
If you like learning English, please subscribe to our channel and press like. It helps us a lot.
Remember, speaking English is not about knowing many words.
It is about feeling confident and speaking every day.
John, I feel shy. I want to speak English, but I only know a few words.
That's okay, Tina. You can start with simple sentences.
Like what?
For example, I want water. Very simple.
Oh, yes. I can say, I want coffee.
Exactly. You can change the word.
So I can say, I want tea. I want juice. I want food.
Perfect. This is confidence. Even with a small vocabulary, you can speak.
What about questions? I feel scared to ask.
Use short questions. For example, where is the bathroom? Or what is this?
Oh, that is easy. I can try. Where is the bus?
Yes, great. You are speaking English now.
Wow, I feel good. I can say many sentences with few words.
Exactly, Tina. Confidence is more important than many words.
I am at the supermarket. I need some food, but I don't know how to ask in English.
Don't worry, let's try.
Excuse me, where is bread?
Very good. That is simple and polite.
Oh, I can also ask, where is milk? Where is rice?
Perfect. Now you are using small words but asking clearly.
What if the shop assistant does not understand me?
Then you can repeat slowly or say it in a different way. For example, bread, where.
Oh, yes, slow words help.
Exactly. Even native people speak slowly sometimes.
John, I am at the bus stop. I need to take the bus, but I don't know how to ask.
Simple question. Which bus goes to the city?
Okay, which bus goes to the city?
Good. Now another example. How much is a ticket?
Oh, how much is a ticket?
Perfect. See? Short words, simple sentences. You can ask everything.
Yes, I feel more confident now. I am at a restaurant. I want to order food, but I know only a few words.
No problem. You can use this. I want pizza.
Oh, and I can change. I want pasta. I want salad. I want soup.
Perfect. You are already speaking English.
What about questions?
Try this. What is this? Or, do you have coffee?
Okay, do you have coffee? Yes, I can say that.
Good. Repeat slowly. People will understand you.
John, I want to introduce myself, but I don't know many words.
It is simple. Try, my name is Tina.
My name is Tina.
Good. Next, I am 20 years old.
I am 20 years old.
Perfect. You can also say, I am a student, or I like music.
Oh, so simple. I like music. I like coffee. I like pizza.
Yes. See, you can speak English with very small words.
I want to talk to people, but I feel shy.
Simple greetings help. Try, hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good. And you can reply, I am fine, and you?
I am fine. And you?
Perfect. You just made a conversation with few words.
Wow, I feel happy I can speak English.
Yes, small words, but confidence is the key.
Now let's practice together. Please repeat after us.
I want water. I want water.
I want coffee. I want coffee.
I want tea. I want tea.
I want food. I want food.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
What is this? What is this?
How much is this? How much is this?
Which bus goes to the city? Which bus goes to the city?
Do you have coffee? Do you have coffee?
My name is Tina. My name is Tina.
I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old.
I like pizza. I like pizza.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
I am fine. And you? I am fine. And you?
Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket?
Now let's make small changes. I want juice. I want juice.
I want bread. I want bread.
I want rice. I want rice.
Where is the school? Where is the school?
What is that? What is that?
How much is a ticket? How much is a ticket?
Which bus goes to the station? Which bus goes to the station?
Do you have tea? Do you have tea?
My name is Tina. My name is Tina.
I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old.
I like music. I like music.
Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you.
You can mix and match. This is how beginners speak English every day.
Yes, even with a small vocabulary, you can speak clearly and confidently.
Let's repeat the key phrases slowly. I want. Where is? What is this? How much is this? Which bus goes to? Do you have?
My name is. I am years old. I like. Hello. How are you? I am fine. And you? See? You can speak English with a small vocabulary. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Repeat words. You will feel confident.
Now, your turn. Write in the comments one sentence in English.
It can be simple. For example, I want water, or where is the park?
You can also try, I like pizza, or my name is.
We will read your sentences and cheer for you.
John, before we finish, let's do a small vocabulary tour.
Yes, this will help our viewers remember the most important words.
Don't worry. These words are very easy.
We will explain them slowly with simple meaning.
The first phrase is I want.
We use I want when we need something.
For example, from today's conversation, I want water.
You can change the last word. I want coffee. I want food.
The next phrase is where is.
We use this when we are looking for a place.
Example from the video. Where is the bathroom?
You can also say, where is the bus? Where is the supermarket?
The next phrase is how much is.
We use this to ask about price.
Example sentence. How much is a ticket?
You can also ask, how much is this?
The next phrase is do you have?
We use this to ask if something is available.
Example from the restaurant scene. Do you have coffee?
You can change the word, do you have tea?
Now let's talk about introductions.
The phrase is, my name is.
Example from today. My name is Tina.
You can say your name. My name is John.
The next phrase is I like.
We use it to talk about things we enjoy.
Example sentence. I like pizza.
You can also say, I like music. I like coffee.
This is a very important greeting.
Yes. Hello. How are you?
We use it to start a conversation.
Example from today. Hello. How are you?
This is a common reply.
It means you are okay and being polite.
Example sentence. I am fine. And you? These words are very small.
But they are very powerful.
With these words, you can talk in many places.
At home, at the shop, on the bus, or at a restaurant.
Practice these words every day.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
And remember,
You don't need many words to speak English.
you just need confidence.
You are doing great. Remember, confidence is more important than many words.
Yes, speak English every day. You will improve step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Bye. See you next time.